In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your term weighting for a year-long class with a final exam to ensure it's set up for a rolling gradebook. Term weighting is what tells the gradebook how to calculate that final mark or final grade for students at the very end of the school year. So in the blue banner, we'll hover over Report Card and click on Term Weighting. For our available periods, you're going to find the final mark box and check that. And then you're going to scroll down and you're going to tell the gradebook, calculate the final mark from the fourth quarter and the fourth quarter final exam. So go ahead and put in whatever percents you have for that. For my example, I'm going to tell it to calculate 90% of the grade from the fourth quarter. So that will be all of the assignments for the entire school year should be listed in the fourth quarter outside of whatever the final exam is. So I'll put 10% for the final exam. Then scroll down, check off any other classes that this final mark calculation may apply to. And when you're done, in the top right-hand corner, click the green Update button. You'll know that you've correctly set up your term weighting for this class because it will tell you final mark is calculated from fourth quarter 90% plus the fourth quarter final exam 10%. Adjust that based on whatever your numbers are for your CLT for this class.